American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets lifestyle and every home tells a story of elegance, comfort, and timeless design. Today, we are bringing you an extraordinary luxury residence that perfectly blends modern architecture with bold style and refined living. As the camera rises into a smooth drone day view, you can instantly feel the grandeur of this home. The exterior design is striking, finished in a sophisticated black, yellow, and cream color palette that gives the house a powerful yet welcoming presence. Clean architectural lines, large glass panels, and a wide driveway create a first impression that speaks of exclusivity and prestige. Moving closer to the property, the front entrance welcomes you with a grand statement. The modern doorway, detailed finishes, and warm lighting create a sense of arrival that feels both luxurious and inviting. This is the kind of entrance that sets the tone for what lies inside. Step into the entrance hall, where elegance immediately surrounds you. The polished flooring, modern wall textures, and soft ambient lighting reflect a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. Every detail here has been carefully designed to create a smooth transition from the outside world into a private luxury retreat. Now let's move into the heart of the home, the main living room. This space is designed for both relaxation and style, featuring black sofas, cream walls, and yellow accent lighting that adds warmth and character. Large windows flood the room with natural daylight, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living area offers the perfect setting. Connected seamlessly is the TV lounge, a modern entertainment space built for comfort and visual impact. A stylish media wall, large flat-screen TV, and carefully placed lighting make this room ideal for movie nights and family gatherings. The black and cream tones give it a bold, premium look while still feeling cozy and inviting. Next, we step into the kitchen, a dream space for anyone who loves modern design. Featuring sleek black cabinetry, cream marble countertops, and yellow accent lighting, this kitchen is both functional and beautiful. High-end appliances, ample storage, and a clean layout make it perfect for daily use as well as entertaining guests. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where elegance truly shines. The black dining table, cream seating, and modern chandelier create a refined environment for shared meals and special occasions. This space is designed to bring people together while maintaining a strong sense of luxury. Now let's explore the bedrooms, starting with the master suite. The master bedroom is a peaceful retreat, designed with soft cream tones, black furniture, and warm yellow lighting. The space feels calm, private, and luxurious, perfect for rest and relaxation after a long day. The bathroom continues the luxury experience with black marble finishes, cream tiles, and warm lighting that creates a spa-like atmosphere. Modern fixtures, a glass shower, and elegant detailing make this bathroom feel like a private wellness space inside your own home. For fitness lovers, the home includes a fully equipped private gym. Designed with black and cream interiors and modern equipment, this gym allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving the comfort of your home. The garage is equally impressive, featuring sleek finishes, modern lighting, and enough space for luxury vehicles. It's not just a place to park, it's an extension of the home's premium design. Finally, step outside to the outdoor swing and sitting area, where comfort meets tranquility. With cream flooring, a black swing frame, yellow cushions, and soft natural light, this space is perfect for relaxing mornings or peaceful evenings. This stunning property is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. From its bold exterior to its carefully designed interiors, every corner reflects modern luxury and thoughtful craftsmanship. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another extraordinary home. We'll see you in the next tour.